Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry, better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice.